Most managers waste hours repeating the same training every week. Let me show you how to turn that into a system that runs on its own. I'm Phil Allen. Welcome back to The Modern Boss. Today we're fixing one of the biggest time wasters in team management, repeating the same instructions over and over. I'm going to show you how to build training once and never repeat yourself again. Let's start with the most common time waster, repeating the same training instructions every week. Whether it's onboarding, safety protocols, or basic customer service steps, most managers rely on memory and repetition. And every time someone new joins, you're back at square one. The more you repeat instructions manually, the more things slip through the cracks, resulting in inconsistent execution and frustrated teams. No one wants that. Instead, open Connecteam and head to Courses. Click Add Course, and you'll see an AI prompt field. All you do is describe the training that you need, like how to greet a customer in a retail store, or for this example, let's try opening shift process at our warehouse. Connecteam's AI generates a full course structure, including lesson titles, content blocks, and optional quizzes. You can edit everything, reorder, add videos, or adjust the language to fit your tone. Once you're happy with it, publish it instantly. Your team completes the training right from their phones, even during a shift. Now, most teams still rely on paper checklists, reports, or spreadsheets, especially in fieldwork or logistics. You know the drill: missing pages, messy handwriting, or someone snapping a photo of a form instead of submitting it properly. It's inefficient, and it's risky if you're tracking safety and compliance. Paper-based processes lead to delays and mistakes, especially when managers have to hunt down incomplete forms or translate bad handwriting. Instead, head to Connecteam's Forms tab and choose the AI form generator. Upload a PDF or an Excel file, like a truck inspection sheet, onboarding checklist, or safety report. The AI scans your file and converts it into a structured, mobile-friendly form, automatically detecting fields like checkboxes, signatures, or tables. You can make quick edits, assign to specific roles or locations, and set a schedule if it's reoccurring. Now your team fills it out on their phones, no clipboards, no scanning, no chasing. You get clean, reliable data the moment it's submitted. Once your training or forms are ready, the next step is making sure the right people see them without chasing anyone down. Managers often rely on email, texts, or sticky notes to delegate tasks or training. That works until it doesn't. People miss messages, or worse, don't know what it is that their responsibility is in the first place. Manual assignments lead to missed steps, and that turns you into a micromanager just to keep things on track. And no one likes that. With Connecteam, assignments can be automated. Let's say I want to assign this onboarding course only to new shift supervisors in our warehouse. I choose the course, apply a smart group filter by role, location, or hire date, and it's done. You can also assign forms and checklists this way and set them to repeat weekly or monthly. Every team member gets notified on mobile. You get alerts when it's completed or reminders if it's not. That is how you stay consistent without micromanaging. You probably already know what needs to get done. What takes time is writing it out every single day. Think about closing duties, opening checklists, or site setup for new projects. These tasks are repeatable, but managers often waste time retyping or rewriting the same lists over and over. When you don't have a system, tasks get delayed or skipped altogether. Not because they're difficult, but because managers are too busy to keep repeating them. Here's a faster way. Use ChatGPT or whichever generative AI tool is your preferred one to brainstorm a list of tasks. For example, what should be included in an opening shift checklist for a restaurant? And then make sure you copy those task names. Then in Connecteam, go to Tasks and choose Upload Multiple Tasks. There you can paste your information, and this view prevents you from having to do it one by one. Assign to a role, set due dates and times, and specify location if needed, and you're done. No more typing the same list over and over, and no more forgotten steps. Once everything's running, your training, your forms, your tasks, you need a simple way to check that things are actually done. Without visibility, managers resort to checking in constantly, and that might work short-term, but it doesn't scale, and it's exhausting for everyone. If you're not tracking completion, nothing changes, and without results, your systems don't matter. So let's look at how Connecteam helps you track real progress in real time. In the Courses tab, each training shows live stats: who completed it, who's still in progress, and who hasn't started. Here, I can see that 1 person is in progress and 3 haven't begun. That helps me follow up where it counts. Now let's switch to updates. Even for something as simple as a company-wide message, Connecteam tracks engagement: who viewed it, who didn't, and even how many times. In this case, only 1 of the 4 viewed the post. That's a sign it might need a reminder or better timing. All of this gives you the context to lead effectively without micromanaging every step. Okay, let's recap. We covered 5 steps to save hours on training by turning repeatable tasks into repeatable systems. Use an AI prompt to build training. Convert your paperwork into mobile forms. Assign by role so nothing falls through. Upload task lists in bulk. And track progress without micromanaging. And the best part, Connecteam is free for teams of up to 10. If your team is larger, there's a 14-day free trial, and pricing is super competitive for what you get. So click that link in the description to try it out and get started. I'm Phil Palin. Thanks for watching The Modern Boss. We've got lots of videos on this channel designed for managers and deskless teams, so check them out. And I'll see you in the next video.